Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How are you doing? I hope you guys are doing so good. Today, the 15th of April, 2023. What a beautiful day. The day is nice, and I am now right inside the jungle. Okay? I'm right inside the jungle where you guys can see. The sun is beautiful, and it's a early morning, around 9 something. So how you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing fine. So today I would like you to join me in this beautiful day. I'm inside the forest, as you can see. So I hope you guys are good. Okay? And you know what? What a beautiful nature. As you can hear, the birds are actually singing around. I don't know if you can hear it or not. So I'm just in a little, or it's a big forest actually. Sometimes you might see the sign later saying that be careful. There are some dangerous animals could be in this bush. So I don't know, but some of you who can see this, is it bush or forest? And I don't know. Sometimes, we use this so-called English language, and we don't know actually when to use it correctly. So I could call it bush or the forest. So I don't know which one is that good. Look, you guys can see people coming here, enjoying their walk around. Somebody there playing with the dog, and we're going this way. So I just finished work and then said, you know what, let me go for a walk in the forest and just relax myself through this bush. So you guys can see the trees. What are the big trees like that? Yeah. You guys look at the trees, okay? The trees go like, they are too tall actually. The trees are too tall. And I don't know actually, back home we used to call these tall trees amut, but I don't know if they are amut or nyor or whatever, but these trees, I don't even know what the name. They are beautiful. They are beautiful. You can't actually see the end of it. You can go up, down, and it's actually still really tall. So I don't know actually what is it. Yeah, so it's good to be here, enjoy the nature. Okay, you know what? So look, you can see the road here is only for the walk. There is no cars around here. And is it not beautiful? Look at it. Quiet. All you can hear is the sound of the birds singing. Yeah.